Hey guys, this is Terry with Moix RV in Conway. I just wanted to go ahead and start off by saying Happy New Year to all of our friends and family. Thank y'all for joining the Moix RV family. But most importantly, we're going to cover this Braxton Creek today. We have carried these campers up in our Northwest Arkansas location for many years now, and we have finally made the way down to Central Arkansas to bring all of our friends and family these Braxton Creek Bushwhacker Pluses. Y'all have got to check this one out. Right at 15 foot long and only 2,000 pounds, it's easily towable by almost any vehicle on the market. Plus, it's absolutely loaded with features for a great price tag of right around 20 grand as well. Outside on this one, you've got the outdoor kitchen. This does come with a 16-inch griddle with an outdoor sink. You got the single axle with the off-road tires. Does have a lifted suspension on it as well to give you the maximum clearance, but all the features that y'all got to check out are on the inside. Y'all come on in. One of the first things you'll notice on this Braxton Creek, this is the 15 RE edition, is the solid steps. So these solid steps do actually come out of the back side of the coach, so it doesn't take up any of your camp space, but they are solid, so they give a good footprint to enter into your camper. At a little over 15 foot long, this Braxton Creek has maximized the space on the interior. So you do have a jackknife sofa that does lay down as another bed just in case you need it, but it does have a table mount also so that you can turn this into your dinner table. Up here at the very front, you do have a queen size bed. This is a residential queen, so it is a true 60 by 80, so even you tall guys can fit on here. And then you've got the shelf up top for plenty of storage. Here in your kitchen, you got a Suburban 2-burner stovetop with a sink and plenty of prep space around the sinks and the stovetop so that you can prep your dinner. Up top here, you do have the Frigidaire 5000 BTU air conditioner. This thing will easily keep this camper cold in the warm summer months. In the very back of your camper, you've actually got plenty of space up top here just in case you need to mount a TV. Right underneath that, you've got the 3 cubic foot refrigerator. And then over here on the side, you actually have a wet bath, which is very uncommon for these small campers to actually have a restroom. Not only that, but a restroom with a shower as well. Guys, we are proud to bring these Bushwhackers to Central Arkansas. We've got the Bushwhacker Pluses. We've got the regular Bushwhackers as well that are just a little bit smaller. Y'all have got to come check them out here in Conway or in our Northwest Arkansas location, or you can even check them out online at moixrv.com.